Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to uninstall WordPress from cPanel. So log into your web hosting company website and go to the order section where you will find your hosting. Then you can click on go to cPanel option here, or you can use your website address and semicolon 2083 to log into your cPanel. Okay, now you can see I am inside my cPanel. Now you need to use the search bar, or you can find the Softaculous app inside all these options. So use the search bar and find Softaculous, or you can also type WordPress to find one. Okay, so you will get something like this under scripts, or if you click on Softaculous app inside your cPanel, then you will find WordPress inside it. Okay, so once you find WordPress, you need to click on that one and it will show you the Softaculous app just like this one. So you can scroll down and you will find all the installations under it. Okay, so in order to uninstall any one of the installation, okay, I'm going to show you here. Suppose this website is there, mypassivepay.online. Suppose I want to uninstall WordPress from it, so I can see the remove option right here. You need to click on that one. Now it will ask removing WordPress 5.5. Click check mark all these things, then click on remove installation and click on OK. These actions are irreversible and it will take just a few seconds, and as you can see, the installation was removed successfully. So this is one of the easiest way to remove the WordPress, to uninstall WordPress from cPanel. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.